The Food Service Exchange presents
Crown Verity presents this week's Recipe on the Grill.
Hi, I'm Steve Adams from Crown Verity Barbecues. Wow, are you going to like this recipe today? This is grilled kingfish with papaya seed dressing and a vegetable stack. You wouldn't think of making a dressing out of papaya seeds, but it's a nice peppery taste and you'll never throw them out after you taste this. I've made up the dressing already. You can see the little chunks of the seeds. I whip it up in a little processor. I'm going to throw my kingfish in there, let it marinate for about 20 minutes. Papaya seed has natural enzymes to marinate your fish. You don't want to leave it in too long or you'll end up cooking it. You can see the little papaya seeds in there. That's going to be perfect. Let's start our vegetable stack. I'm going to use a really good Italian dressing on this one. I've got zucchini slices, probably about a 1/4 inch thick. I'm going to put them on the plate, brush them up, get a little bit of oil on so it doesn't stick. There we go, we're ready to go. It's hands on, hot heat. Look, I'm up at 600 degrees. I'm going to be cooking on direct heat. Up we go, that is smoking hot. Turn this one down. I'm going to turn all these down because it's going to flash up on me. Down, down, and on we go. 1, 2. Basically, I'm just going to work these colorful vegetables for a couple of minutes. It's probably going to take about, 7 minutes aside, and then we're good to turn them. Let's check our vegetable stack. Oh yeah, that's looking good. I'm just going to move a couple over because our fish is marinated for 20 minutes. The papaya seeds have worked their magic in this. Just going to move the veg over for a bit. Presentation side is still up. Just move that like that. Take this up on high. And I've got my kingfish. We'll let that go for, a couple of minutes. We'll put some really nice marks on it. We'll try and cross hatch it. Presentation side down. And we'll just let that go for a minute. Let's see how this grilled kingfish is doing. Oh yeah, that's ready for a flip. Nice, oh this is super flaky. This is a nice piece of fish. It's just about done. I'm gonna pull the veg off. We're gonna finish that off. We'll stack that up and we'll serve the fish nice and hot. I'm going to take a piece of onion on the bottom. I'm gonna take a piece of sweet potato on an angle. Another sweet potato. You can do 1, 2. You know what? I think I'm gonna go for all 3 today. There's a nice starch. I'm gonna put some grilled zucchini in like this. Portobello mushroom with the nice crosshatch, perfectly cooked, smells great. A little piece of cheese right here. I think I'd like that to melt right on top of the portobello. So I'm gonna put that right there. Piece of pear right on the top. Instead of using a skewer, I'm gonna use a piece of rosemary. Very common, right down to the top, just so it doesn't fall apart. Let's take the grilled kingfish off. Oh, perfect. That smells so good. Look, it's light and flaky. That is perfect. I've got some papaya seed dressing. I'm just gonna finish right on the top like this. Grilled kingfish with papaya seed dressing and a vegetable stack for fishing the flats.